Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the tools here on Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Semrush effectively involves leveraging its suite of tools for SEO, competitive analysis, keyword research, and more. Once you are logged into your account, we have a separate video on how to navigate the Semrush dashboard. That includes all these sections. We have the competitive research, keyword research, link building, on-page and tech SEO. All right. Now, one of the most common used tool here on Semrush is going to be the keyword magic tool. All right. Now, let me tell you that we already have covered this topic in our G Plus YouTube channel that you might want to check. So we're not going to dive deep. But in a nutshell, all you have to do is enter the keyword research tab here. Enter a broad keyword or phrase relevant to your business. For example, if you are in the real estate, maybe you go for the commercial warehouses. If you're in the fitness, you might want to type in gym, or for hotel, you might want to go for equipment. But if you're not decided yet, just click any samples here. For example, how to buy audible books. What will happen is Semrush will generate a list of keyword suggestions right here with key data such as search volume, keyword difficulty. The percentage is comes with these values. If you see a keyword difficulty of 36, it falls under the possible, which is a little bit kind of doable. If you see a little bit of reds, these are kind of fall to the very hard and hard or difficult kind of keywords. You have the CPC, which stands for cost per click, all right, and the competition. You have all these. And again, if you wanted to know more about the keyword magic tool, you might want to go to our G Plus YouTube channel and type in keyword magic tool, because we have a separate video for that. We're going to another tool, which is one of the most common tool that have been overly used here in Semrush, which is going to be the link building tool. Now, using this link building tool, we have also a separate video for this. Please check that on our channel. But basically what you can do from here is to enter a targeted keywords. For example, earlier we went for the maybe loans, all right, and click the start link building. I mean the valid domain. That's, for example, we're gonna be looking for ebay.com. All right. Now, what will happen is you have now to set up your link building campaign. All right. So these are going to be the added keywords for that eBay, and you can delete anything here. All right. Competition. Click the competitors and start link building. All right. So again, we have a separate video for this, but I'm just showing you some workaround for using this link building tool. It's one of the best using the Semrush suggestions. You can boost your SEO performance right here. You can import domains manually or via the competitor backlink analysis. Right now, it takes a little while to collect and analyze the data for ebay.com because this domain is very huge, right? It covers a lot. But you see, once the target websites are suggested, you can now filter and analyze the opportunities here for prospects, in progress, and monitor. All right. And from here, just click the view prospects. And now you can start monitoring the link building. You can, once your outreach campaign is active, you can monitor its success and the prospects, in progress, monitor, and about. All right. You can further enhance your link building strategy because Semrush will allow you to analyze your competitors' backlink profiles, such as this one right here. And again, after doing so, another tool that you can use are going to be the site audit tool. This is one of the easiest way for you to identify SEO issues on your website. such as broken links, missing data descriptions, or slow pages. If you use the same website for ebay.com, all right, click the crawler settings and start the site audit. All right. Now, if you run the audit, Semrush will analyze your site for technical issues. For this one, for example, the site health for ebay.com was 57%. They found 3,000 errors. Warnings are 50,000. Now you can review the report and prioritize fixing the issues. For example, broken links, improving page load speed, or adding missing data right here. Now, you have on the left side again is the backlink analysis, another tool that you can use to help you track backlinks pointing to your website and analyze your competitor's backlink profile. These are going to be some of the examples. For example, wordlife.org. All right. Semrush will show you a list of backlinks, the domains linking to that website, and their quality. All right. Referring domains are these. Backlinks are 7.5 million. Monthly visits are 1.6. Organic traffic is this, and a lot more. You can now use this information to identify high quality link building opportunities and monitor harmful links. All right. We have a separate video covering how to use the backlink analytics and backlink audit. And the last tool that you need to check is the position tracking under the keyword research. All right, because this tool, the position tracking, will track how well your website ranks for selected keywords over time. And again, all I have to do is enter the domain. For example, we're going to be using the ebay.com as an example. Wait for it to load. It'll take a little while. Now, you can use the search engine for Google, and you can use a device for mobile or tablet. Put in the location. For example, you were using United Kingdom. If you want to enter your business name, you can also do that. And click the continue to keywords and start tracking. Semrush will monitor the rankings of these keywords on a daily or weekly basis. Obviously, you can view your rankings via device, which we opted for a mobile. You can also use a desktop and location and adjust your strategy based on the fluctuations. All right. While doing all of these effectively, you can optimize your SEO strategy, analyze competitors, track performance, and enhance your overall digital marketing efforts. And of course, there are so many tools available on the left side panel to explore the Semrush's tools, resources, and guides for more in-depth of each feature. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.